In this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your Binance Future profit and how you can spend the money. Okay, so right here, I'm using AntBot to trade my Binance Future, as you know, and I can show you the profit right now. So in the month of March, as you can see right here, these are the profit that I'm making. And I'm going to show you how my thought process, how I'm going to withdraw the money. Okay, so my personal plan, okay guys, my personal plan is that, let me show you this. I have three things to show you. Now look at my computer. I have three options here. What I can do, option number one, is that I can single run all my coins inside AntBot, and once they all close and stop in profits, I can quit. I can withdraw all my money. Okay, that's my option number one. But I'm not gonna do that. Now here's option number two. Okay. Option number two, I can withdraw all my initial investment, how much money that I've put in the Binance trading wallet, and then I just let the profit compound on its own. Okay, that's my second option. I can do that. Now with the first option, I can single run everything and quit. So with my investment, I'm going to show you my investment here inside my Binance Future. Okay, I will show you the data because I love to show you the data here. So I'm going to show you my transfer. I'm going to select January because I started back in January. You can see this is my first transfer, $10 into Binance Future. So my first $10, I was learning, guys. Learning. Very, very important. Most people see this. This is ocean. The market is like ocean, guys. If you don't know how to swim, okay, if you never swim, if you never learn how to swim and you just jump into the market, knowing that there's treasure somewhere in the island in front of you, but you never know how to swim, you just jump, you will drown. Okay, you will drown and nobody's going to help you. So if you're a beginner, if you're a newbie, if you don't know anything, first is you learn. Okay, put small capital, you learn, guys. Okay, don't go deep. So go for like a pool instead of an ocean. You learn how to swim first. Don't be greedy. And I have a saying for you: pigs get fed, hogs get slaughtered. Okay, if you are too greedy, this could happen to you, and a lot of people get liquidated and lost everything. Okay, and this is real market. We are talking about crypto market, guys. Crypto market, which is very, very volatile, and anything could happen. And me personally, the money that I put in, okay, the money that I put in here is the money that I can afford to lose. So we can see here, I put another 500, I put another 400, so already 1,000. And then you can see I have BNB. I use BNB to reduce my trading fees. And then I put another 500, already 1,500. Another 500, 2,000, 500, 2,500. And then yesterday, you can see the date. Everything is in there, the date, the time. And total now is 2,500, 3,500, 4,500. And then lastly 5,000, 6,500, guys. Okay, and just now I already withdraw 1,000, so technically my investment is 5,500. Okay, 5,500, and I'm gonna withdraw. Now when you see your profit inside AntBot, you can compare it with Binance. Okay, you can compare with Binance. You can click the 29 winning days, how many winning days, you can click it. And then press on show and scroll down. You will see the total profit, the net profit, the winning days, losing days, break-even days, average profit per day, and you can see your daily P&L. Now you will see a difference. The AntBot and Binance, you will have difference. The AntBot is gross profit. Binance is already net profit. You can see trading costs, which is your commissions, your funding, your liquidation fee, whatever fee is already included. So this is already inclusive of the fees. So you will see normally will be lower than what you see inside AntBot. And you can see here, you can drag it and you can see all the transfer and stuff, right? I actually have my own record here. This is in February. You can see in February I only make $400 profit, and this is on Binance, guys. Okay, I have AntBot here, and then I have Binance here. You can see I make 400. But back then I didn't really take the money out. But this month in March, okay, in March you can see I actually make around $1,500 profit, net profit. This is on Binance. And you can see around 80%, and you can see everything in here I already recorded. When I add the money, I divide by the total investment. Okay, you can see it right there if you know anything about spreadsheets. So this is how much I make in the last 31 days. My rule of thumb, okay, I will use the third method. I will still routinely add 20% of my income, okay, my monthly income. Let's say my monthly income is $3,000. I will put around $600. 20% of my monthly $3,000 income, I'll put just $600 in Binance Futures. And this 20% of my monthly income, I just treat it like, I don't know, I'm buying something. I don't care if the money gone, if the money exploded, I don't care. This is, a bit risky, but I'm just having fun with it. I have no problem. Some people just put a lot of money and then they get stressed out and then they just ruin their whole life. What I would do is every end of the month, I will withdraw 50% of the profits. Okay, 50% of the profit, and then I will let other half compound. That's my plan, my personal strategy. So what I would do, I will pull out, how much is this? 1,500. We're gonna ignore the 83. Just divide by 2, 750. Easy, simple. I don't want to make my life harder. So what I would do, and be careful, guys. Look at your floating loss here. Make sure your floating loss is much smaller. Okay, make sure it don't impact your liquidation and your risk. If you pull out your money too much, if it impact your liquid price and impact your risk too much, you might get liquidated. So be careful. Okay, you do your own logic in here. So I'm gonna transfer. Okay, I will just click this, so it switch up, and you can see my available here. It tells you how much you have, and then I will just put 750. Confirm transfer. There we go. You can see it's already deducted, right? It's already deducted 750, and the money is gone to your spot. You can see this is my spot USDT. Just now I just transferred 750. But by the way, if you want to see the record, right, you can go back to transfer, and then you can see the record right there, right? You can see, let me show the transfer. You can see that's the record. You can see your own record. Anyway, your money is in spot. Okay, so how do you sell your USDT? You want to transfer from spot to funding, guys. Okay, make sure you select funding here and select your coin USDT. Just now I want to transfer 750. I can just transfer it, and you can go to your funding right there. You can see this is your money. Now here it's up to you. Okay, if you want to withdraw all, or you want to keep a few to buy BNB, if you want to buy BTC, you do whatever you want to do. So what I want to do now is that I will click on P2P. You can see P2P here, and then choose your currency right there. Mine is in IDR, which is Indonesia Rupiah. And then instead of buy, you want to sell. Press on sell, and these are list of people, guys. List of people who request the money. Okay, they want to buy USDT. So basically, you just sell your USDT to them. You can see the price right there, or you can Google it, the price now, or you can wait. You can wait the price to goes up to make a little bit more profit. But if you need the money right now, you can just sell it. So I will press on sell. So I can sell to this guy. You can see my balance 750. I just press on all, select payment method. Now you can add your payment method. I will add my bank in here. I will probably blur some things here so you can add your own bank number, etc. Okay, you can see successfully added, and then I can just select my payment method, choose that. Okay, and then I can sell with 0 fee, and you can see the amount that you will get for that USDT. If you're happy with it, you can press on sell with 0 fee. Now, very important, you need to wait for the buyers to make payment, guys. Okay, wait for it. Please wait for the buyer to transfer the fund. After receiving the fund, click on confirm receipt. So you wait, guys. Okay, you wait until the guy make the payment, and then you check it on your mobile banking. You check it on your, your bank history. You see the thing. You can chat with the buyer if you want to. It's up to you. You can see the timer there, and you can see also the expect to receive payment in like 29 minutes or something. So basically you can just wait, guys. Wait until they make the payment. Now you see the payment received. Okay, it is still blacked out, right? It's still blacked out. You need to wait, and this comes out. It tells you, please confirm payment is received. You can go to your bank, okay, to your mobile banking or something. Check it whether it's received or not. Okay, you check it. You put a screenshot or something. Make sure the number is correct, guys. The value is correct. And when I check it, the value is correct. Okay, so I can press on payment receive. Receive the payment in your account. I have not received payment from the buyer. I have received the correct payment amount and confirm to release my crypto. So choose the second one if it is correct, and then press on confirm. And then it will ask some verification code again. There you go. I already sold it. I already make the money in my bank account. So how was your trading experience? You can put a positive and then press on done. That's how simple it is. Okay, hopefully this video helped you out. Again, you have your own choice, whatever it is. I just show you my thought process. And again, guys, remember, if you are just get started, do this. Okay, try to learn how to swim first before you jump into the ocean, because you don't want to end up like this.